Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgets2use.com, and today we are going to do the review of the Ricoh printer. This is an all-in-one printer from Ricoh, and the model number of this printer is SP200S, which is mentioned there on the printer itself. You can take a look. And when we talk about this printer, this is an all-in-one printer, an affordable printer for home or business users, or even for small business users as well. This is a complete machine which gives you the copy facility, it gives you the scan facility, and you can always print it from it as well, obviously. And it is a laser printer. Let's take a look over the functions and the features of this particular printer. As far as the overall build quality of this printer is concerned, the build quality is pretty nice. You have plastic over here which is used, and it is matte finish. You have the Ricoh branding over there. And then you have these buttons over here for the control, which we will show you in detail. Once you open this flap, you can see that we have the section for the scanning, so you can scan your documents over here easily. And in case you would like to print something, you can always get the printer tray which is there at the bottom. So you just need to remove this, and here we have the printer tray in which different size of paper can go in. Right now it is A4 size printer which is there inside, and you can always adjust this tray as well as per the size of your paper. And you have some instructions which are mentioned over there, which will definitely help you. And once we put this thing inside, we can open this part. So this part can be used especially in case you would like to have paper coming from here. And again, this is going to be helpful when you want to do multiple prints from this particular machine. So the print can come out from here. So in case you would like to do double side printing, this is going to help you. So if you want to print on the same paper on which you have printed on the first one side, you can always print on the second side by inserting that paper from here, and then you can print it on the other side without opening the tray. So that is something you can do with this particular part. And when we open this part, when we open and show you the printer things, so here we have the section where the printer will put the paper out. So the paper will come out after the print from here only. You can extend this, and then so that it can hold the paper, so that the paper does not flow out. However, even if you have it closed, the paper will not fall. As per the A4 size, if you are printing, it will not fall off. So this is how it will look like. They have springs being used, steel springs, which is again of very good quality, I would say. You can actually open this part as much as you can, and there will be no problem. So in terms of the build quality and the material which has been used on this printer, it is really nice. To open the toner section, you just need to plug this thing out, and this will come out. This is how it will open up, and then you can took the toner out. So this is how the toner will look like. As you can see, you can always replace the toner or get it refilled as well in case you want to. And this is how you can put this thing inside. And again, to close this, it is not difficult to be closed. You just need to apply a little bit of pressure on the left or the right, and then it will get closed. In terms of the overall functionality, I would like to tell you some of the things related to these buttons which are there on the printer itself. Now, taking a look over these buttons, here you can control the print quality. So in case you have a photo as well as text, then you can go for the maximum print quality, in which it will print the paper as per that particular thing. In case you have text, you can always move it to the text mode. In case you are printing a photo, you can always move it to the print. It is a black and white laser printer, so colors will not come out. And in case you would like to increase and decrease the strength of the print in terms of the print quality, in case you want to move towards the economical level, then you can always move towards this. This is the economical level, this is the medium level, and this is the high intensity level, in which it will print with highest amount of ink, so that the print becomes much more clear. You can always customize the print over here as well. So you can press this button, and in case you want to increase the number of copies which you want to print, you can always increase with this button, and you can cancel them as well with the help of this button. This is the power on button, and whenever the printer is running smoothly and there is no issue with the printer, it will give you this particular light which is over there, and this is blue light. However, if the paper is stuck, you can always get the paper out and in that case this light will light up. So in case there is a problem with the printer, this light will light up. If I show you the printer backside over here, I can show you that as well. So here we have the backside. First thing over here, connectivity is for the power. So you need to connect this wire to power, and this is how it looks like, as you can see. And it is a normal power port for this particular printer. You don't need to connect it to a power port. It is a normal power port, just like your charger or USB charger or phone charger. That power port will do. This is the USB cable which is there for this particular printer, and you just need to connect this cable over here, and then you need to connect the other part of the cable to your laptop to start printing. So in terms of the print quality and the kind of prints you get from this particular printer, they are fast enough. It will give you around 20 papers per minute. That is the speed of this printer in terms of printing, and it is pretty good in that particular department. I did not face any issues. However, when it comes to the drivers, we do have a driver CD as well, which comes within the package. So this is the driver CD, which has the driver for Windows 7 only. It does not have the driver for Windows 8, and these are the model numbers for which it will work. So it works for the SP200S, which is this one, and it also works for SP202SN. So one thing I would like to tell you is that in case you want to make this printer work with your Windows 8 machine, you will need to download the drivers from the Ricoh website. That you can easily do. You just need to search this printer with this model name, and then you will land up on the website where you can download the drivers for Windows 8, and then after it will work with your Windows 8 machine. But by default, the CD, the driver CD for the printer, which you need to actually insert into your machine, or you need to copy the files from this particular CD to your machine and then run the setup so that you can install the drivers for this particular printer. Then only it will work with your Windows 7 machine as well. For Windows 8 you need to download the drivers. As far as the overall form factor of this printer is concerned, it is a pretty compact printer, not very big in size, so it won't take much of your space, especially on your table. You can place it into your home house, at your home basically, on your desktop table, or you can place it on your office table as well. It won't take much of a space, and again the kind of print speed it has is pretty commendable. I have got couple of speed prints on this particular machine. As far as the overall form factor of this machine is concerned, this machine will not take much of a space. It is a square design shape printer, which is not too much in terms of height, which is also not too much in terms of width as well. It will take minimal space, just like any other printer. It will take minimal space in your home or your office. You can place it on your desktop table as well. It won't take much of a space, but it is slightly bigger, not very small. That is something you can easily notice by looking at it. As far as the overall quality of the prints are concerned, the quality of prints are pretty good. They were pretty fast. I got a couple of fast prints when I actually required them using this printer. The first print which comes out from the printer itself was pretty faster. So in all, this is a pretty decent machine which you can go ahead and buy. This will cost you approximately 10,000 rupees in the market, and the laser toner which will give you minimum of 2,000 to 2,500 pages easily, and it is a black and white, so you can expect more. In case you want to print documents, you can always go for this one, but again for printing photos it is not a great printer, but still you can do that. However, it is a black and white laser printer. So that's all from us. To let us know if you have any specific questions for this Ricoh printer. This is an affordable printer for home and small medium business users. Do let me know if you have any specific question for this particular printer. I would love to help you. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.